Karibu sana Kikuyu Vibes.
Thank you so much. Jetago Wanji, kana Bing Wanji, kana the Karumbeta Queen. Omo the show ni uma wega, ebiete wega. Yes, and follow my page so that you can see how amazing the show was. Yes.
Na mbona gura, it's all about Kikuyu Vibes na duka tuire mundu atiagani ali githungu Gikuyu kana Gikuyu githungu tukaga it's all about a vibe. I want to ask you, as a young person, would you love when you see this young generation makiheberia o Gikuyu witu?
It's actually very humbling considering to may grow in a very different side na our parents. So us embracing our culture is very good, and us coming together to have such a show is very good. Yeah.
I know people ni makeneire performance yako. Lu wewe muinire. Ni muinire kwa wauga. Hata kama nilikill the show. Hata hapa nimesikia hapa kuna compare. When you perform because najua the music is still going on.
So I don't, from me nafanya instrumental, me ucheza saxophone. So from my side hakuna competition, but hao wengine kidogo Wanjine, kidogo Moringi, kidogo Irosh, but all of them
karibu kuseme wote tu
but it's cause wote wako very amazing. They all have talents. Yes.
Kuhura karumbeta ri ni uthomithitie mundu horo wa kuhura karumbeta kana no yo renda gukorwo na kiheo kiguri wiki?
Mi ufunza by the way, then students kadha kana watano hivi. So if you stay with knowledge you won't grow. I've grown here, I've come here and I've got to this point because of someone like Wanji, because he taught me, and so good to teach someone else. Yeah.
Before tumalizie, a word to the young generation wenye wako na talent, basically wenye creative minds.
One word is believe in yourself. I started something that was just a vision, and right now we are here because people are witnessing the vision that I had. So if you have a talent, no matter how tiny it is, ama kitu ukiona kitu haiwezi make, just try it. The first step is to do it. Yes. Yeah.
Social media handles?
Bing Wanji, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. Namni follow because it's an amazing. I'm doing a gospel extravaganza next month. Yes.
No akigwa tuthi na bena go support mathaga maito na muthenya wa rucio tucamanie kuria kula tuthakaga tuthie JCM